These open-faced hamburgers are the best. I like them better than a hamburger on a bun. I started making these when I was 10 years old. They have been a favorite all these years. Let me show you the recipe so you can try them too. Start with 1 pound of ground beef. Then you're going to want to finely chop 1 clove of garlic. Now add that garlic to the beef, and then take an onion, cut it in half and finely chop it, and we're going to want to add 1/2 cup of that chopped onion. Now, let's take our salt. I use kosher salt, and add 1/2 teaspoon. And then let's take our freshly ground pepper and add 1/8 teaspoon. We want to mix this up very well. I find doing it with my clean hands works best. You're going to need 3 to 4 slices of bread. I used sourdough bread, and they are very large slices. Turn on your broiler and toast 1 side of your bread. Then spread your hamburger mixture onto the untoasted side of your bread. You want to make sure the edges of the bread are well covered or it will burn. Please subscribe and like my video. And for my friends that have subscribed, I really appreciate you. Your comments are also welcome. Now, one thing I do is I make an overhang with the meat to prevent the burning. Now broil these burgers for 6 to 10 minutes or until the internal temperature is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Mine have finished cooking and they look really yummy. I can hardly wait to eat these.